Good afternoon, students. Today, commerce. Last class we all studied classification of companies, basic liabilities and basic control, and basic nationality, domestic companies or foreign companies, and multinational companies. Multinational company means the huge industrial organization. Huge means large. The multinational companies examples are Microsoft Corporation, Nokia Corporation, Nestle, Coca-Cola, International Business Machine and Pepsi, Sony Corporation. These and all MNC examples. And memorandum of association. Memorandum of association, some content, name, clause, situation, objective and liability, capital and association clauses. Next, today we are discuss about articles of association. Articles of association. Articles of association means some rules and regulation followed in business. Some rules and regulations. The articles of association, AOA means articles of association, is a document that contain the purpose of the company as well as duties and responsibilities of its members. The articles of association, the company shareholders or some company board of directors, some duties and responsibility of the members. It is an important document which need to be filled with the register of a company. These are the bylaws of company that define the mode and manner in which the company's business is to be carried on. In the Company Act. In the Company Act means which year? The Company Act means 1956, reforms in 2013. The Table A prescribe a model for articles of the company. The Table A is a document containing rules and regulations for the internal management of a company. A company which does not have a separate AOA adopt Table A. AOA means Articles of Association. The Articles of Association containing some rules and regulation and internal management of the company or internal member of the company. Content. First one, amount of shares, capital, value and types of shares. Amount of shares. Some person is 1 lakh rupees shares. Some person 10 lakh rupees shares in purchase. That is value of the types of shares. Some person 1 share, some person 10 shares, some other person 5 shares. The types of shares. Second one, rights of each class of shareholders regarding a voting and dividend returns of capital. The rights of the shareholder regarding the votes. The company is 50 shareholders means 50 shareholders is a do not manage the board of director. The elected person only one of the board of director. The 50 members is not a directors. Elected only, authorized person only is a one of board of director. Next one, rules regarding issues of shares and debentures. Rules and regulations. Some rules and regulation is followed in debentures. Debentures is not a shareholder. Is only in debentures is one of the investment only in company. But shareholder is one of the shareholder of company. Procedures as well as regulation in aspects of making call on shares. Procedures as well as regulation in respects of making a calls on shares. Some shareholders is not full paid in amount. in 75% only paid capital. Balance 20% in call in share and paid amount. Manner to transfer of shares. Some person is some problem or continue futurely the company continue partner means that person is selling share. In transfer of shares. Declaration of dividend. Dividend means one of the investment. The investment is one agreement paper. The paper is a declaration. Borrowing power of the company. Borrowing power of the company means the company borrowing rights. Next one, rules regarding the appointment and remuneration removal of director. Rules and regarding the appointment and remuneration. Remuneration means board of directors is one pay in every month in pay salary. Board of directors. Profit some employees is some percentage of salary divided another percentage of board of director in each and every month pays salary. That is remuneration. Remuneration means salary. And removal of directors. Next one, procedure for conducting proxy quorum meeting etc. Proxy quorum means the board of director representative another one person attend the meeting. That person is one representative attend the meeting person is proxy quorum. Procedures concerning keeping of books and audit. This each and every company, the Indian Company Act 1956 order, each and every company yearly once is compulsory audit. Audit means some incoming expenditures is verification. Seal of the company. Company papers, each and every papers is compulsory company motto or company seal. Procedure recording the winding up of the company. Some procedures were following in winding up stage means compulsory recording the following procedures. Next one is prospectus. Prospectus means some rules and regulation. That is prospectus. Is one school you go in, one admission application means with prospectus. School name, school, how many students studied, that academic year performance. So many merit content only in prospectus. According to section 236, the Company Act, any document inviting the public to buy its shares or debentures comes under the definitions of prospectus. It also applies advertisement inviting deposits from the public. The prospectus, the company, some rules and regulation, how many turnovers, which product, which public is, how much like that product. There's so many information in prospectus. Public is some applying, advertising and advertising some public in inviting deposit from public. That is prospectus. Prospectus means you go on one college to after 12th standard your admission means first one prospectus. That prospectus is some academic year performance, college name, how many results, how many university rank holders, college some fees concession, so many college merit conduct is enter in the prospectus. Some prospectus content. A prospectus is a only window through which a prospective investors can look into the soundness of a company venture. Prospectus is a soundness of a company venture. It's a silently advertisement, that is prospectus. Silently advertisement. Hence, it is most specific and at least the following matters as per Schedule 2. The prospectus contain the main objective of the company, name and address, and signatories of the memorandum of association and the number of the shares held by them. Main prospectus first is the name and address and signatories of the memorandum of association. Next one, name, address and occupation of the director and managing director. How many managing directors? Next one, the qualification of shares of director and interest of directors for the promotion of company. The number of distribution, the number of distribution and the document of the shares or debentures which within the two preceding years have been agreed to issued other than cash. Some docket, each and every company compulsory some shareholders is some issue in document paper and or debentures holders and issuing in some document agreement paper. Next one, the name and address of the vendors of any property unacquired by the company and amount of paid or to be paid. Next one, particular about the directors and secretaries and treasuries and the remuneration of directors and secretary and treasury compulsory paid remuneration. Remuneration means what? Remuneration is salary. The amount of minimum subscription, the company carrying on the business, length of time such business. Next one, the estimate the amount of pre-limited the estimated amount of preliminary expense. Preliminary expense means that is some essential important expense. Next one, name and address of the auditor and banker and solicitors of the company. The name and address of the auditors and banks and solicitors of the company. Compulsory the prospectus entering auditor name and address and company in dealing in which bank, how much of transaction in that bank, how many banks in dealing company is enter. Name and place where copies of the balance sheet, profit and loss and account of the auditor report may be inspected. Each and every company compulsory inspecting auditor report. Inspecting auditor report. Auditor inspecting company, that company how much of profit, how much of loss, how much of shareholders yearly turnover in inspecting auditor report. The auditor report to our auditor report so submitted must be deal with the profit and loss of the company for each year 5 financial year immediately presenting the issues of prospectus. Auditor report is compulsory. Auditor reported such submitted must be deal in profit or loss of the company. Auditor only is inspecting in this company profit oriented or loss oriented, inspecting in auditors. If any profit or reserve as being capitalized, the particular of such capitalization will be stated in the prospectus. Prospectus is full and full is positive motivation only, content only enter in prospectus, which that any person is like means the some person is contributing capital or debentures holder or shareholder. The prospectus, each and every company following compulsory prospectus is very important role. Prospectus only a company present situation is a reflection. Present situation reflection is only in prospectus. Okay students, this is end of the lesson. This lesson, listen students, each and every day you read students. This is joint stock company lesson, very important. The joint stock company, some important one words in discuss. First one, the relationship between outsider and the company is defined in dash memorandum of association. A table A company act is a dash model of AOA. AOA means what? AOA means articles of association. Next one, which of the following is created by a special act of Parliament or State Assembly in statutory company? Next one, the board of directors of a company is elected by shareholder. Board of directors, company is so much of 200 persons is so much of shareholders, but 200 persons is not manage a company. They elected in some persons only enter in board of director. Next one, company established as a result of a chartered guaranteed by king or queen of the country is called charter company. King or queen of country is called charter company. Listen students, a very important, so much of very less question only this lesson. Okay students, listen. A joint stock company, Indian Company Act 1956, compulsory Indian Company Act, each and every company, this act under each and every company compulsory registered only protect the shareholders. The company joint stock joint means some person joining together, that is joint stock company. Joining person is a product in one's association, that is SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. That Security Exchange Board of India only in product in shareholder. Okay students, listen, this lesson very important lesson. This day, this lesson you thorough students. You next day you postpone means your workload is heavy only. Okay students, next week is a first monthly exam. You read properly. Listen students, some students is handwriting very bad handwriting. So listen students, you each and every day at least 2-3 questions you writing practice is very important only. Listen students, you handwriting is very important. Your bad handwriting means you automatically your mark is very less mark only. Your handwriting very important. Listen students, every day each and every day 2 or 3 questions you compulsory you writing practice. You write only in cursive writing only. Okay students, thank you. Next day, next one, new topic we will discuss. Okay students, thank you.